Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Inside 06, where we discover and explore the many events of Sharjah. As per the importance of scientific research in the Emirate of Sharjah, Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed Al-Qasimi inaugurates the Scientific Research Forum at the University of Sharjah. More details in the following report. In Al-Razi Auditorium in the Medical and Health Sciences College, His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed bin Sultan Al-Qasimi, Deputy Ruler of Sharjah and President of the University of Sharjah, attended the opening of the 16th Annual Scientific Research Forum at the university, which came this year under the theme Impactful Research for the Community. After the national anthem of the UAE, Dr. Ahmed Al-Naimi, Chancellor of the University of Sharjah, gave a speech in which he expressed happiness with the research achievements accomplished at the university. Throughout the current academic year, the university maintained the first place in the field of scientific research among all the universities of the UAE. The number of high-quality research papers reached 3,272 in the year 2023. And in the same year, the university achieved the 68th rank globally. Dr. Muammar Bitayib, Vice-Chancellor for Research and Graduate Studies, gave a speech highlighting the achievements of the university in the field of scientific research, as well as global and regional participations and partnerships of the university. In addition to the large numbers of students in postgraduate studies and those holding doctorate degrees who are interested in distinguished research papers that are published in Arabic and giving them a global value by translating them into the English language. During the inauguration, His Highness Deputy Ruler of Sharjah and the attending audience watched a visual presentation highlighting innovative startup organizations emerging at the university, spanning diverse industries and fields such as medicine, engineering, pharmaceutical, renewable energy, mobile applications, the virtual world, and the blockchain. His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed Al-Qasimi, President of the University, kindly honored the sponsors and winners of the University's annual awards for the academic years of 2023 and 2024 for exceptional faculty members in various fields. After the end of the ceremony, His Highness the Deputy Ruler of Sharjah toured the scientific exhibition that accompanied the event, which presents a diverse range of 27 projects and research papers highlighting various startup projects and community initiatives. The latest edition of the Scientific Research Forum aims to highlight and shine a light on the results and achievements of scientific research that has been completed by the research teams and groups affiliated with the Research Institute of Medical and Health Sciences, as well as the Research Institute of Sciences and Engineering, and the Research Institute of Humanities and Social Sciences. Up next, a report from Zarnab shining a light on the focus on education and scientific research in the Emirate of Sharjah.
Sharjah, a vibrant city flourishing amidst rich history and culture, is rapidly becoming a beacon of knowledge and innovation. Here, education and scientific research are not just valued, they are the driving forces shaping a thriving community. This week, the spotlight shines brightly on Sharjah University, the cornerstone of this intellectual movement, as it proudly hosts the prestigious 16th Annual Scientific Research Forum. Education empowers individuals, equips them with skills, and fosters critical thinking. It unlocks opportunities, fuels personal growth, and paves the way for a brighter and better future. In Sharjah, education is not a privilege, it's a right accessible to all. Scientific research, at the other hand, is the engine that drives progress. It delves into the unknown, seeking solutions to the complex challenges and pushing the boundaries of human understanding. It leads to medical breakthroughs, technological advancements, and sustainable solutions for the environment. Sharjah has emerged as a leading educational hub in the region. With a diverse range of universities, research institutions, and world-class learning facilities, the city is attracting bright minds from all around the globe. At the heart of this academic landscape lies Sharjah University, a prestigious institution offering a wide range of programs across various fields. Imagine a vibrant tapestry woven from diverse academic institutions. This tapestry which we are talking about is precisely what University City Sharjah embodies, a purpose-built educational hub. It brings together a multitude of universities, fostering collaboration and knowledge exchange. Within this stimulating environment lies the Sharjah University, a prestigious and renowned institution playing a pivotal role in the city's intellectual growth. Sharjah University boasts a rich history, established in October 1997 by the visionary ruler of Sharjah, Sheikh Dr. Sultan bin Muhammad Al Qasimi, driven by a desire to meet the Emirates' growing educational needs and a deep appreciation for Islamic architecture and history. The university has blossomed into a center of academic excellence in the Arab region. Sharjah University is a testament to the city's dedication to research excellence. Led by a dedicated and visionary leadership, the university boasts a robust research infrastructure that empowers faculty and students to pursue groundbreaking ideas. The university also publishes a comprehensive research catalog showcasing its diverse research activities across various disciplines. Sharjah University provides its researchers with state-of-the-art facilities to support their endeavors. These facilities include advanced laboratories equipped with the cutting-edge technology for research in various fields, dedicated research centers that brings together researchers from different disciplines to collaborate on complex challenges, extensive libraries offering access to a wealth of scholarly resources and publications. The 16th Annual Scientific Research Forum, organized by the Sharjah University, makes a significant milestone in the city's scientific journey. The forum brings together a distinguished gathering of researchers, academics, and students to share groundbreaking ideas, foster collaboration, and celebrate the power of impactful research. With the theme Impactful Research for the Community, the forum underscores the vital role research plays in addressing real-world challenges and improving lives. The forum's agenda included presentations from leading researchers and renowned scholars with their latest findings in various scientific fields, panel discussions where experts engage in discussions on the critical role of research in tackling pressing issues facing the region and the world. The forum also provides a platform for researchers, students, and industry leaders to connect, collaborate, and explore new avenues for impactful research. By hosting this prestigious forum, Sharjah University further solidifies its position as a leading center for scientific research and innovation. The event fosters a culture of knowledge sharing and collaboration, paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries that benefit communities around the world. Sharjah's dedication to education and research serves as a beacon of inspiration, reminding us that by nurturing knowledge and innovation, we can build a brighter and better future for all. As we witness Sharjah's remarkable transformation, let us embrace the power of education and research in our own communities. Let curiosity guide our exploration and let collaboration fuel our progress. Together, we can unlock a world of possibilities and create a future brimming with innovation and positive change. As we celebrate the 16th Annual Scientific Research Forum 2024, we witness the extraordinary transformation of Sharjah from a cultural hub to a beacon of knowledge and discovery. Let's stay tuned for further updates on the forum's exciting developments.
The Wazen Project continues to prioritize the health of employees of Sharjah, ensuring a healthy working environment and in return increasing positivity and efficiency in the Emirate of Sharjah. More details in the following report.
89% of Sharjah's employees do not suffer from work overload stress, which reflects on a positive work environment. According to the results of an on-field survey by the Wazen Project, which was initiated in 2017 to prioritize and enhance the well-being and health of employees of the government of Sharjah, under the care of the wife of His Highness ruler of Sharjah, Her Highness Sheikh bint Muhammad Al Qasimi, chairperson of the Sharjah Supreme Council for Family Affairs. The project is implemented in several stages, including launching a study of indicators to measure the standards of the Wazen Project on a sample of entities in the Emirate of Sharjah. The results were revealed in a session attended by Sheikh Sultan bin Abdullah Al Qasimi, director of the Sharjah Department of Statistics and Community Development.
المرحلة الأولى شملت المسح الصحي.
The first phase included the first health survey for employees of the government of Sharjah, in addition to raising awareness, workshops, lectures, and a weight loss challenge in a healthy way for employees and other similar initiatives. The second phase began in 2022 in a strategic partnership with the University of Sharjah, the Sharjah Department of Statistics and Community Development, as well as the Department of Human Resources. In the second phase, we adopted standards that are approved by the World Health Organization to promote and support organizations to be healthy and to be supportive of employee health. Iman Rashid Saif, director of the Sharjah Health Promotion Department, announced during her speech the results of the on-field survey as the first stage of the Wazen Project, which targeted 22 government sectors in Sharjah, with 80% of its employees. The study was supervised by 15 faculty members from the College of Health Sciences at the University of Sharjah. The number of responses from the employees to individual questionnaires reached 2,534 responses. The team also conducted interviews with the upper management of 22 organizations to discuss 8 topics about the workplace. The Sharjah Department of Statistics and Community Development contributed to reviewing the methodologies and the technical plans proposed for the studies, which relied on multiple methods of collecting data, such as opinion polls that were filled out individually, as well as reviewing the methods of personal interviews through the on-field visits and through call centers. The results of the on-field visit to the workplace of government employees showed the result of job satisfaction rates, which amounted to satisfied and very satisfied. Discussing the ability to contribute effectively to society, utilizing individual potentials and satisfaction with the salary in comparison with the required workload ranged between 70 to 75%, which means that 89% of the employees do not suffer from work overload stress, which reflects a positive work environment. The results revealed that 89% of the employees participated in volunteer activities during the year 2023. As for the nutritional health of employees, it was found that the percentage of those who eat food classified as healthy to very healthy in the workplace represents 55.4%.
We'll take a short break and get back to you. Top chefs from all around the world are gathering at the Sharjah Expo Center for the spectacular and delicious 3-day Expo Culinaire event. Hind Al-Jasmi visited the event and prepared the following report for us.
Expo Culinaire returns for its 5th edition at the Sharjah Expo Center, standing as the only event in the UAE that unites chefs, bakers, food enthusiasts, and pastry chefs. This 3-day business-to-business event features a focused trade exhibition for the food service industry, the largest single-entry chef competition globally, and a unique HORECA education platform for accredited schools and institutions in the Middle East. In collaboration with the Emirates Culinary Guild, Expo Culinaire showcases food, drinks, ingredients, equipment, services, skills, and education and training for all professional levels.
We are related to Emirates Culinary Guild, and all of us were under the World Chefs Association, and we are here today in Expo Sharjah. We are managing and running all the competition for all the senior and young chefs in all over the UAE. So all the chefs that are coming today in Expo. So we have the pastry competition, we have the live show for the competition, we have the plated plates, the gelatin one, and we have the bakery competition. There is one live and there is one ready to show. So at Expo Sharjah, as you can see, we have a lot of chefs that are coming every year. They're waiting for this one to come to compete, to see how's it going in the competition, to see the chefs, to take the feedback from the chefs again. And in the culinary, you have to make a lot of connection. You have to make more of the chefs, so you get more information and you get more experience. And here also we have, as you can see there, we have the live show for the ice. So you have a block of ice, and by the end of the day you have to finish to make something like design, and all this one is live. After they judge also for them, and they get more medal and everything. Once you get a member, you get the medal and you get this one, and you get the certificate as you are a member in the Culinary Guild.
These companies represent the global food service industry, bringing innovative ingredients, cutting-edge equipment, and expert culinary techniques to the event. Their presence underscores the Expo's status as a premier international trade exhibition, fostering connections and collaborations among top industry professionals from around the world.
We are supplying all over the UAE the five-star hotels with breads and baking goods. And in the second way, I'm the head of bakery development for the Emirates Culinary Guild, a union for all chefs and bakers here in the UAE since 30 years. And the very first time this year, we created a live baking, a Sonbula live baking arena where the chefs are coming from the world and present their skills in baking. And we asked them to do the ancient way of bakery without chemicals, without colors, without premixes. And we are very proud that we use a flour made here in the UAE. It comes from here and they're not using anything else. So all what we do here is UAE ingredients and products from here.
The main goal of Expo Culinaire is to advance the food industry and hospitality services by creating a comprehensive platform for innovation, education, and collaboration.
Our competition here in Sharjah, this is the fourth time we've been in Sharjah at the Expo Centre Sharjah doing the competition with the Expo Culinaire exhibition. And the exhibition is all about the hospitality industry, restaurants and hotels. And we bring the chefs from the United Arab Emirates, from hotels, restaurants, small restaurants, large restaurants, from all over the Emirates to compete in what we call the Salon Culinaire. So it's really a competition and exhibition all in one. And plus we look at education as well. So we've got a number of schools from across the Emirates that have come in to participate with us and to give training and to give education and to really encourage people to enter into the hospitality industry. So it's really an exhibition that highlights the industry of hospitality right in the heart of Sharjah, and it's important for us to be in Sharjah because we're really in between all the Emirates, so it's accessible for the people, it's easier for the chefs to come, and also for the industry people that are interested in seeing an exhibition that covers all parts of the hospitality industry is right here at Expo Culinaire in Sharjah, Expo Centre Sharjah.
This vibrant event features many interactive and fun activities, such as cookery demonstrations and live workshops, featuring decorated buffet platters, pastry and chocolate creations. This gives an opportunity for every visitor and chefs and pastry chefs to have a look at the live demonstrations of the cake and the culinary workshops.
Aimed at professionals within the HoReCa sector, the exhibition seeks to showcase the latest trends, products, and technologies in the culinary world. By bringing together chefs, bakers, cooks, pastry chefs, students, and industry experts, Expo Culinaire fosters an environment for learning and inspiration.
Today here in Sharjah in Expo Center with the Expo Salon Culinaire, the biggest competition in the Middle East for the fourth day. And here behind of us, this a lot of categories for the competition. As we see, this is the piece of art of carving in fruit and vegetables. We have also other category which is 4 plate of dessert. We have also pastry showpieces, and we have also, if we see the competitors here in the kitchen, individual competitors from different hotels and restaurants in United Arab Emirates. We have this year also, actually this year it's the biggest competition because we have more than 900 competitors from around the world, and we have 8 national teams from 8 countries. United Arab Emirates, they are participate also this year in this competition.
The event features live demonstrations, expert demos, and practical workshops designed to elevate skills and knowledge across all professional levels. Additionally, it aims to facilitate networking opportunities, enabling attendees to build valuable connections and partnerships.
Sultan lamb is dry curing of meat, especially lamb, okay, and only lamb, by the way. And we dry cure it in Spain in a small village called Cantavieja. It is 1,300 meters above sea level in a mountainside, and we have also 700 inhabitants, and half of them are shepherds. I'm very loyal to this exhibition because I like to come here at Sharjah Expo Culinaire because I get the chance to meet only chefs, only professionals. So this is a real B2B exhibition, and this is I'm quite happy to be here actually. So what do is we dry cure leg of lambs, and this is a process that we do 100% organic. This is very natural, no machine used. Okay, this is just salt and lamb. So what we do is we dry cure legs of lamb. The average time for it's 12 months, but we can keep them in a vacuum seal up to now. So I have legs that are 8 years old.
Through its focused trade exhibition and the prestigious Emirates International Salon Culinary Competition, the Expo emphasizes excellence and creativity in the culinary arts. By promoting cutting-edge equipment, innovative ingredients, and advanced culinary techniques, Expo Culinaire strives to enhance the quality and efficiency of food service and hospitality operations worldwide.
Expo Culinaire 2024 boasts a participation of over 100 companies from all over the world, showcasing a diverse range of products and services. This is a one-of-a-kind experience from professional chefs and visitors to come and visit to gain more knowledge and experience about the culinary world. Hind Al-Jasmi, Inside 06.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Inside 06. Download our streaming app Maraya and follow us on Instagram at Sharjah2 channel. We'll now leave you with some footage of the delicious Expo Culinaire 2024 in Sharjah. Until next time.